Question number 20 of exercise 7.2. What is the question here? E to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x upon e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 2x dx. This is the question given to you. So what we will do, let t is equal to substitute e to the power of tx plus e to the power of minus tx. So differentiate dt upon dx, you will get dt upon dx e to the power of tx plus d upon dx e to the power of minus 2x. It will comes here 2 e to the power of tx, because d to the power of x formula is e to the power of x only, minus 2 e to the power of minus 2, because minus is there, so it is become minus. What is the common here? Take 2 common here, 2 e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x. This is dt upon dx. So what we will do, dt upon 2 is equal to e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x dx. So in place of e to the power of 2x e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x dx, we can put dt upon 2. So the question is converted like this: e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x upon e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 2x dx is equal to, it is become dt by 2 upon, this is t we have taken, so what will get 1 by 2 dt by t. 1 by t dt by 2, that is the log t, that is 1 by 2 log t plus c. So what is the log? 1 by 2 log, what is the t here? E to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 2x plus c. This is the answer. Question number 21 of exercise 7.2, that is tan square 2x minus 3. Let us put tan square 2x minus 3. Let us put t is dx. Let us put t is equal to 2x minus 3. So dt by dx is equal to 2 dx by dx. That is become 1. So this is dt by dx is equal to 2. So dx is equal to dt by 2. We will put this, the question converts like this: tan square t dt by 2. So 1 by 2 tan square means what we will take? Secant square t minus 1 dt. Tan square t means secant square t minus 1. So it is become 1 by 2 secant square t into dt minus 1 by 2 dt. So secant square t, that is tan t. Secant square t means that is tan t minus 1 by t plus c. So what is the tan t value here? Of tan 2x minus 3 minus of 2x minus 3 plus c. This is the answer. Yes. So question number 23, that is secant square 7 minus 4x. So this is the dx, we can put like substitute t is equal to 7 minus 4x. So dt upon dx is equal to 7 minus 4 d upon dx, 7 minus 4 dx upon dx. So it is 0, now minus 4. So dt upon dx is equal to minus 4. So dt is equal to minus 4 dx. So it is become dt by minus 4 is equal to dx. So the question converts like that: secant square 7 minus 4x dx, it is equal to secant square t minus dt by 4. So secant square t is equal to minus 1 by 4 secant square t dt. That is secant square t is equal to tan t minus 4 tan t plus c. So the answer will be minus 1 by 4. What is the tan t? Tan 7 minus 4x plus c. This is the answer. Question number 22, that is sin inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square. Let us put, this is the dx. Let us put t is equal to sin inverse x. So dt upon dx is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So dt is equal to dx by square root of 1 minus x square. So the function is become sin inverse x square root of 1 minus x square dx. It is become dx upon this one is the d theta and sin inverse t into d theta. It is become putting the integration formula t square upon 2 plus c. So what is the t square here? Sin inverse x square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. So question number 24, that is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. This is the question. Let put here t is equal to 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. So dt upon dx what will become? That is 6 cos x is the constant, cos x is minus sin x and sin x is cos x. So from this what we will take the common here? Take the 2 common here. It is become 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. So this implies dt is equal to 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx. So in place of this we can put dt by 2 is equal to 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx. Now the function could be changed, converted into like this: 3 sin x dx upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. It can be converted like this, transferred like this. Here 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to, we put dt upon 2 into t. So it become 1 by 2 dt upon t. T means that is log t. So log t plus c. What is the c? With t value here 1 by log 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. This is the answer. So what is that? 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square into dx. This is the function. So 1 by cos square x means secant square x. This function can be, the question can be written like this: secant square x upon 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Why secant square x comes here? 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. Now put let t is equal to 1 minus tan x. So dt upon dx is equal to 1 0. So minus d tan x upon dx. What is the tan x here? Secant square x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x, that is minus secant square x. So dt is equal to minus secant square x dx. Clear? Now put this one here. The function could be like this: secant square x dx upon 1 minus tan x square. Secant square, that means here minus dt upon t square. 1 minus tan x, we have taken t here. So it is become t to the power of minus 2 dt. So now apply the integration over here. What you will get? T to the power of minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So minus t to the power of minus 1 here, minus 1 plus c, minus minus plus 1 by t plus c. What is the 1 by t here? 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. This is the answer.